In this video, I'll show you how to extract a record from a related table using command bar. Now, just to give you a context, I have this Com Nations app, which lists down all the Commonwealth nations. Now, if I click on one of the records, so I'm inside the context of a record. Now, as you see the fields over here, like the Commonwealth nations, continent, ABC, affiliation. So these are all columns of this table, Commonwealth nations, right? But now, if you see this one, the contact Commonwealth, now this is a column within contact Commonwealth table. However, it is referring to a record from another table, which is a contact table. Okay, so I have this Commonwealth nations table. This is linked to a contact record. Okay, so the contact which you see over here, like the contact Commonwealth. Okay, so the contact Commonwealth. Now this is pointing to a contact table. Now, contact table is a separate table. Now, this is a contact table, and contact table has full name, email, first name, last name, contact, and many other information related to contact. Now, how do I extract these information? So, my goal is basically if I select any contact record over here, I should be able to extract the information about that user. Now, the information can be first name, last name, email, address, phone number, or anything. Okay, so how do I extract those? So take for example, if I just type in say Alex, and if Alex exists now, currently let me just show you what all information I have. So I have so many users being connected. So if I just select say Kani, now what should happen is, like, once this record is selected and it is saved, then I should be able to extract the email address. Okay, so it's kind of a related table query. Now, in order to do that, what I need to do first, I will go into make.powerapps.com, and I will open or edit my app. And once I open the model driven app, I'm gonna click on edit command bar. And once I click on edit, I'll go into the main form. Okay, so I select this, and once I'm in this, so I'm in this particular interface. So here what I need to do is I need to make some changes. Okay, now the changes are basically to extract the email address. Now, in order to do that, what I'll do first, I'll create a new command. So let me create a new command. So new command. Now, once I create a new command, it'll say get, or I'll just say extract email, okay, or extract address or phone number or anything. Okay, so I'll just say use icon, and let me say email. Okay, so I'll just pick up some fancy icon over here, email incoming. Now I've used this icon, extract email of the record, and in the open formula bar, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a command. Now the command is basically nothing, it's like simple notification. So I'll just say notify. Let's say notify the selected contact records email is, and I need to write the extraction command. So I'll just say self dot selected, which will get the context of the current selected record, which is self.selected.item. And now, if you just type self.selected.item dot, then I will be able to extract all the fields from that table. Now, which table? Commonwealth table. Like I have a continent, I have CC auto number, I have com ID, I have created by everything I have. Okay, so these all things I will be able to extract it very easily. However, I'm linking to a field named as contact Commonwealth, and now through contact Commonwealth I will jump into the contact table, and then from contact table I will be able to extract all the fields with regards to contact. So in order to do that, you go come back here again, is a self.selected.item dot, and pick up that value contact Commonwealth. Okay, now if I select this contact Commonwealth, okay, and if I put a dot, then I am able to extract information related to that contact table. Now, say take for example, if you just want to show the submission date. Okay, now submission date is part of your table, right? Now if I put submission date dot, nothing happens, because that's the end point, right? Because that's the field which you are able to extract it easily, because submission did belongs to the Commonwealth table. However, if you want to extract one level deep, then you go into the contact Commonwealth, put dot, and then whatever information you want, okay, you can put in. Now we have contact Commonwealth dot email. Okay, so this is what I want, and that's it. I just put a semicolon and I'll click on save and publish. So, so now why I'm able to extract this information is because one is there is a relationship between the contact Commonwealth and a contact table. Okay, so if I go into the Commonwealth table over here, and if I click on the relationship, I should be able to see the related table. So if I'll just sort by A to C, then you should be able to see all the contact relationship. Now, as you see over here, contacts Commonwealth and contacts Girish Uppal. So I'm referring to this relationship. And now, because of this relationship, which is a many to one relationship, I'm able to extract further information, and I'm able to extract those fields of the external table. Now, once this app is published, I'll just click on play just to show you whether the command is published successfully or not. So what we have done, we have not written anything on the grid, but we have written something on the record. Okay, so if I navigate inside one of the record, then I should be able to see this button. Okay, now the contact which you have selected is Carney, right? So if I click on extract email, then it should show me c stonel 19 at free.fr. Okay, because that's the email address of Kani. Now, as you see over here, this is the email address of Kani. Now if I remove this and if I change to some different contact, say Amos Yuti, and I'll click on save, and if I close this notification and now extract email, then it is able to identify that this is now a different user, and let me extract this information from the contact table. So this is how you basically do that second level extraction of the table record pointing to some external tables, right? So this is how you basically extract all the information. Now it can be a different table, it can be a different field. Now I've just extracted from a text field. Now you can even extract from various items, like if you want to extract further things from the contact table. So I have this contact Commonwealth dot, so I can extract city, I can extract country, county, facts, and there are a whole bunch of information which you can extract. So the list is endless, as you see over here. I can extract full name, home phone, manager phone, and then other things, right? So if I just type in A, I can just find out which account does this contact belongs to. Okay, so if I click on accounts over here, and if I put a dot, I will not be able to proceed further, right? Because now there is no direct relationship set up within my system. Okay, now you can go from one level. So what we have done is, like, we have taken an item contact and then we've gone into contact. Now if you want to find out uh, which account it is, then again it's like a different query which you may need to fill up. Okay, now that's not directly possible. So if I want to know whether that contact belong to any account, and if I put a dot, I will not be able to extract the information, and neither if I put a square bracket. So basically, just at a one level you will be able to extract the information. So that's it, folks. This is how you basically extract information from a secondary table or a related table within your application. So I'll just make this change to email, and I'll just close this. So thanks for watching.